Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that can seriously boost the performance of your ASUS TUF Gaming A16 2024 laptop. We're talking about the ATEX 64GB kit, specifically designed for models FA607, FA607Pi, FA607PV, and FA607NU. If you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who frequently juggles multiple demanding applications, you know how crucial RAM is. The ATEX kit comes with two 32GB DDR5 SODIMM modules, operating at a speedy 5,600 MHz. That's PC 5-44800 territory, ensuring your system has the bandwidth it needs to handle even the most intensive tasks. One of the best things about this kit is its ease of installation. ATEX designed it for a simple plug-and-play experience. Of course, it's always a good idea to consult your ASUS TUF Gaming A16 manual for the correct memory seating and channel guidelines. But overall, the process is straightforward, even for those with limited technical skills. The modules are INONECC unbuffered, with a 2RX8 dual-rank configuration, adhering to the JEDEC DDR5 standard of 1.1V. This ensures compatibility and stable performance within the specified ASUS TUF Gaming A16 models. With 64GB of RAM at your disposal, expect a noticeable improvement in system speed and overall performance. Bottlenecks become a thing of the past, as your laptop has ample memory resources to work with. Games will load faster, multitasking will be smoother, and demanding applications will run more efficiently. ATEX also stands behind its products with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. Plus, they offer top-rated support to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have along the way. If you're looking to maximize the potential of your ASUS TUF Gaming A16, the ATEX 64GB DDR5 RAM kit is definitely worth considering. It's a simple upgrade that can deliver significant performance gains, making your laptop feel like new again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.